A fan friend wanted me to build her a clawed scimitar from Fearless Pact to give to her boyfriend for his birthday. Today, we will be utilizing a piece of red glazed slate material to build the Plunder Claw scimitar for the fan. I've heard that every male friend dreams of having a real-life claw blade of his own to add buffs to his game. The unique edge of the blade is trimmed to give a more menacing look. Finally, add the knife handle, and the finished product is complete.